guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today is going to be the last day of Dark Sky being available on Android. So a while back, of course, Apple acquired the application Dark Sky, one of the best weather apps out there for iOS and Android. And so officially tomorrow, Apple will take over it and pretty much on the Android version, it will not be working properly. And the API version, so a lot of third-party apps that use the API of dark weather will also be affected by this. So today, guys, I want to share with you guys some other alternatives weather apps for Android for those dark sky users. So let's begin. So the first app is called Overdrop. So Overdrop is an awesome app it's an awesome weather app that's just really simple, easy to read, and it's just really nicely designed, which I really like. From the icon designs here as well to everything else that you see here running on the app. It's just a really fantastic app, and I like the just how it just looks, everything in the app, and just really fantastic. And of course, there are themes as well that you could change as well here. So if you go to themes, you could change them here, and then it'll be working right there, and you'll have a couple of themes that you could choose from there. So yeah, that's an awesome weather app that I highly recommend you guys go check out if you guys just want a simple, nice weather app that gives you the details in a nice, really nicely designed way. Next, we have Today Weather. So Today Weather is another fantastic app, a weather app that is free to download, and it's just really easy to use. A ton of information is shown here as well in a nice design way as well. And so yeah, you could just see how it's going to be the weather throughout the day, how the weather's going to be throughout the week as well, rain, everything, and it has much more information than the other app, Overdrop. So yeah, you'll just see a lot of much more information in a nicely way as well. And of course, you could go and add much more locations if you want as well, so that you can see the weather in other parts of the world as well, in case you are traveling in the future. So yeah, and what I like about this is that you get a photo here of pretty much it matches the photo how the weather is in your area, which is really amazing and really cool. But yeah, it's just a really nice app that I highly recommend you guys go check out if you guys want to just have much more detailed weather information shown to you. And next and not least, we have Carrot Weather. So Carrot Weather is probably not that popular, or maybe it is on Android. It's super popular on iOS. And so when the developer released it on Android, of course, the app is free to download. There's in-app purchases that you could do to get the pro features on Carrot Weather. But the basic of it, it's all here, of course. It's really nicely, it's the same design like in iOS. So of course, what I like about Carrot Weather, which is my go-to weather app on the iPhone, what I like about it is just it's really funny, this app. So like of course, you could just see of course how the weather's going to be throughout the day here, and then of course in the bottom here it'll show you throughout the week as well. And of course, if you tap one area, you'll get some detailed information right there of how the weather might be during that time right there. So as you can see, it changes by the time and the weather, of course. And so yeah, and then of course here you could go into much more detail, of course, in the week here to see how the weather's going to be throughout the week, which it looks like it's going to be really nice here in Ottawa. And so yeah, it's just a really awesome app. It's a snarky weather app, so pretty much it'll make you laugh. And so yeah, it's another great weather app if you just wanted something random and something really cool and unique as well. So that's it for now. Those are the top 3 weather apps that I highly recommend you guys go check out if you guys are dark sky users, because tomorrow it will probably not be working properly, the app, since Apple has acquired it for their new for their future stuff and projects that they're working on. So that's pretty much it. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe because that does help a lot. And that's it for now. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.